national agencies, local governments, and the general public?
Well, pagka may ganito, meron na kaming standard operating procedure. Talaga sinusunod na lang natin. Of course, the main element here is we are monitoring kung ano ba talagang weather situation. And of course, yung flooding. Pero so far, yung problema ay yung hangin, malakas ang hangin. But unfortunately, pag tinitignan natin yung mga forecast, baka mas malakas ang bukas dito sa Manila bago aakyat, tatawid ng Cagayan bago so we are watching it. Ang tinitignan lang natin sa eskwela, syempre iba, the LGUs also make the LGUs make their own decision with that, except if there is a region-wide assessment na hindi pwedeng so, sa trabaho naman, ang tinitignan lang namin ay kung makapunta yung mga empleyado natin makapasok at makauwi. Importante makauwi. Kasi pag mahirap, pag mas landed sila dun sa pinagtatrabaho. So that's what we are watching now. And we're prepared for the aftermath of all of this. As usual, nag-forward placement na tayo ng mga pangangailangan. We will just have to wait for the weather to see what it will do. Hopefully, umiwas sa atin, but even if it does not, we have all the elements in place to support people na magiging mahihirapan dahil dito sa naging bagyong Enteng. So we are just watching it and we are trying to adjust. We leave a lot of the decision making to the LGUs and to the regional offices because iba-iba ang sitwasyon. So, but as we go on to the rest of the day, wala na pa ako ngayon, we will see. We will try to give the bulletin as early as possible for work and school tomorrow. Ang instruction pa sa kanila, kung maaari, bago tayo matulog, alam na natin kung may pasok na pasok para makapag-adjust naman yun.
Tulungin niyo ko bang NDRRMC today?
I'm sorry?
Are you going to meet with the NDRRMC?
No, they're working. Alam mo, that's always my policy. Hindi ko, pagka nasa gitna ng crisis, hindi ko sila tinatawag, dahil nagtatrabaho sila. Besides, wala namang, they keep reporting naman to me at yung sa specific areas, doon lang naman ang babago. As a whole, nationwide, region-wide, island-wide, kung ano man ang area na affected, that's we are monitoring and we will give the advisories as quickly as we can. So doon kami papasok sa national. That's when we come in and make the advisories as to whether or not may pasok sa eskwela, may pasok sa trabaho. All right? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.